Welcome back. We are seeking Vegas Sunrise, and this is a room tour at the Bellagio, and it's our first time staying here. We stayed on a staywell floor, and our room was a fountain view king suite. This is one of the newer upgraded rooms. And the bathroom features a stand-up shower instead of the soaking tub. And it comes equipped with the vitamin C shower head. You have a double vanity with 2 sinks and 2 mirrors. When you enter the room, you can see the newer furnishings. A staywell bed that was actually, I would say, more comfortable than most of the staywell beds we've experienced. TV area. Table by the window. The staywell alarm clock. You have controls near the bed for the curtains, thermostat. And the greatest feature of this room is really the view. The view is amazing. It was incredible to be able to see the fountains go off all day, all night from this view. Probably the best view that we've had in Vegas so far. And overall, we really enjoyed our stay at the Bellagio. And we definitely look forward to staying here again. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you at sunrise.